Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Cash Fix. Today I'm working on 2005 Lexus ES 330, changing an air filter, air cleaner filter. Let's go ahead and get started. Pull this evap hose, and here's the one bolt right here, 10 millimeter bolt. There's another one in the back, 10 millimeter, which apparently is missing. Once you remove this bolt and this bolt, the whole box will slide up. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so press the tab and pull towards you. There you go. Try to lift it and pull the air filter from the other hand. There you go. Pull it out. And this doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. So do the reverse for installation. Alright, so the new filter in, and we need to do these two. So the new filter in, go ahead and place this back the box, lift it up a little bit and slide it in. There you go, like that. And tighten this screw back. That's it. Don't forget to put the mass airflow connector back. And the vacuum hoses, this one, go ahead and plug it in, and this is how you replace a 2005 Lexus ES 330 air filter air cleaner. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll be right back with some other new video. Thank you.